Imagine waking up tomorrow and the entire idea of work has changed. Not because of a new app, not because of a new trend, but because of a new intelligence. An intelligence that learns faster than us, thinks deeper than us, and works with us. That's the world Demis Hassabis says is coming. And it's coming faster than we think. Today, we're diving into that future. And trust me, this first minute will change the way you see your career. So here's the real question. What happens when work isn't limited by human speed? Or human memory? Or human creativity? What happens when you can team up with something smarter than you? Not to replace you, but to upgrade you. That's the world we're stepping into. And Hassabis, the man behind DeepMind, believes this shift has already started. If you've ever wondered what your job will look like in 5 years, or whether AI will threaten or empower you, then buckle up. Because this video is your wake-up call. Watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. And hey, since I drop these AI insights every week, hit subscribe and tap the bell so you stay ahead. Let's begin. Demis Hassabis is not your average tech leader. He's a neuroscientist, a game designer, a world-class chess master, and the CEO of Google DeepMind. But most importantly, he's someone who has spent his life asking one question: what is intelligence? And can we build it? According to him, the answer is yes. And we're close, very close. Hassabis believes AGI, artificial general intelligence, could arrive within the next decade. Not a toy. Not a chatbot. But something that thinks like us, learns like us, and reasons like us. That's going to change everything about work. Your job. Your workflow. Your earning potential. Even how you define productivity. But here's the twist. Hassabis doesn't imagine a world where AI takes all jobs. He imagines a world where AI takes the boring parts. And humans take the creative parts. Imagine this. You start your day with an AI partner. It summarizes your messages, plans your tasks, creates first drafts for you. And you focus on decisions, direction, vision. Work becomes less mechanical, more meaningful. Less repetitive, more human. That's one version of the future. And honestly, it sounds pretty good. But Hassabis also warns, this future isn't guaranteed. It depends on how we build AI, how we control it, and how we use it. Because great power always comes with great risks. One risk? AI systems improving themselves too fast. Faster than we can monitor. Imagine a system that starts rewriting its own code. Then rewriting that rewrite. And accelerating beyond our oversight. That's the hard takeoff scenario. Hassabis doesn't think it's likely, but he thinks it's possible. And possibilities matter. Another risk? Misaligned values. AI reflects the people who build it. So if a system learns from the wrong data, or follows the wrong incentives, its goals might not be our goals. And that's a problem. There's also the geopolitical angle. Countries competing. Labs competing. Individuals competing. Faster isn't always safer. So Hassabis argues for careful development. Smart regulation. International cooperation. Shared guardrails. Not to slow progress, but to keep it on track. Still, the potential benefits? They're massive. Hassabis believes AI could unlock a new era of abundance. Imagine curing diseases we thought were impossible. Discovering new materials. Fixing climate issues. Solving scientific mysteries. Accelerating innovation. And amplifying human creativity. With AI, a single researcher could work like a team. A single designer could work like a studio. A single entrepreneur could work like a company. And that's where your opportunity lies. Hassabis' advice? Become native with these tools. Not just a user, a builder, a partner, a co-creator. Learn the systems. Experiment with models. Play with prompts. Try coding if you can. Or learn automation. Or start integrating AI into your workflow. Because the ones who adapt early will lead the future, not follow it. Here's a simple trick to get started. Pick one AI tool today and make it solve one problem in your life. Just one. Summaries, scripts, data, images, tasks, anything. That's how you build momentum. Hassabis predicts new jobs will appear. Jobs we can't even imagine today. Think back 20 years. No one imagined social media managers, or influencers, or prompt engineers, or AI product designers. But here we are, and the next wave will be even bigger. So if you're worried, don't be. Be curious. Be adaptable. Be early. If you're excited, good. If you're nervous, that's normal. But either way, you're in the right place. Because you're learning. And learning is the real superpower. Quick pause. If you're enjoying this breakdown, like this, subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Let's keep going. Hassabis believes AI will explode scientific progress. Think breakthroughs in months, not decades. Think new cures discovered by AI models. Think climate solutions generated by simulations. Think energy breakthroughs. Think better materials. Better medicines. Better tools. Better everything. Imagine being part of that. Imagine contributing to that. Imagine benefiting from that. This era isn't just about jobs. It's about purpose. It's about capability. It's about becoming more than we are today. Hassabis also predicts a new relationship with creativity. Instead of staring at a blank page, you start with a canvas, a draft, a concept, something to shape, something to enhance. AI becomes your creative multiplier. And you become the director, the strategist, the visionary. A world where anyone can create anything, without needing years of training. That's empowerment at scale. But only if we guide it. Only if we build wisely. Only if we stay involved. So here's what you can do today. Learn one new AI concept. Try one new AI tool. Join one AI community. Build one small automation. Create one AI-powered project. Share one idea. That's how you become future-proof. And future-powerful. Hassabis also talks about empathy. Jobs that involve human connection, nursing, caregiving, counseling, teaching, leadership. These won't disappear. Machines won't replace human warmth, or trust, or presence. Those will matter more than ever. Because as technology rises, humanity becomes more valuable. The future needs both smarter machines and deeper humans. And you can be both empowered and irreplaceable. That's the real opportunity. So, what does all this mean for you? It means the future of work isn't about fear. It's about preparation. It's about embracing the tools, and building the confidence, and learning the skills that will define the next generation. The future isn't coming for your job. It's coming to upgrade it. It's coming to unlock your potential. It's coming to free your time. It's coming to amplify your creativity. And it's coming whether we're ready or not. That's why you're here. That's why this matters. And that's why this channel exists. So thanks for watching this deep dive. Tell me in the comments, which part of this future excites you most? And which part worries you? I read every comment. And I respond to a lot of them. Tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. So hit subscribe, tap the bell, and stay ahead. Because the future isn't happening to you, you're building it.